Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Honda CR-V with the key inside. It can be frustrating to find yourself locked out, but don't worry, we'll go through some practical steps. First, take a moment to assess your surroundings and ensure your safety. Then, double-check all doors and the trunk to confirm they are indeed fully secured. Also, think about whether you have a spare key nearby, perhaps with a family member or in a safe place. When you're locked out, professional help is often the safest and most efficient option. Consider calling roadside assistance services, such as AAA, as they are equipped to handle these situations. A local locksmith specializing in vehicle entry can also provide quick and damage-free access. Additionally, your Honda dealership might offer emergency unlocking services, so it's worth checking with them for support. If professional help isn't immediately available, some do-it-yourself methods exist, but proceed with extreme caution. Tools like a slim jim or a wedge can sometimes manipulate the lock mechanism. Alternatively, a simple coat hanger can be bent into a hook to try and snag the door lock. Remember, these methods carry a significant risk of damaging your vehicle's paint, weather stripping, or even the internal locking components, so be very careful. To avoid future lockouts, prevention is key. Always carry a spare key in a separate, secure location, such as your wallet or a bag, not inside the vehicle. If your Honda CR-V has remote unlocking features through an app, make sure you have it set up and ready to use. Finally, make it a habit to double-check for your keys before you close and lock your vehicle doors. Stay safe and prepared.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.